In this video, you'll learn how to adjust and display margins in Canva Docs to effectively customize your document layout. To get started, open the menu from the top left and select the Add option to access additional design features. Next, select the magic switch and choose the Sheets option to work with custom layouts. Then, enter your preferred width and height values to personalize your document's dimensions. You can drag the handles on text boxes or shapes to adjust their size as needed, and resize elements to ensure your content fits nicely within your document. If necessary, lock elements using the lock icon or modify grouped objects by dragging their resize handles to maintain consistent formatting. To fine-tune your settings, open the File menu, select Create New Design, and use the Settings gear to access more customization options. Select the text in your document to edit or format it, and use the Editing menu to adjust your layout or content as needed. Finally, go to the Settings menu and click Show Margins to clearly outline the margin guides in your Canva doc. You've now learned how to manage margins in Canva Docs and enhance your document's layout.